Sensibility and practicality define the 2017 Ford F-150. With fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle proves competitive in its price class based on its condition and value. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, an outside temperature display, and much more. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Stop in and take a test drive.